Quick update on the 78 Trans Am, guys. I know I've been promising you guys updates on this car, and to be honest, there haven't been many. Of course, we've had all the holidays. We had Thanksgiving, and then we had Christmas, and the shop was shut down for both holidays for quite a while. And the COVID situation, the lockdown has made things a little difficult, but I did get the owner of the shop to send me some shoe cam videos. I don't know why people don't know how to make videos using their phones. It's always this way. What is this, TikTok? Anyway, I asked him to send me some videos and he obliged. And this is what the car's looking like. We're seeing some actual progress here. I know it looks scary, but this is actually good. Here we have the front fascia of the car. You know, this is the special 1970, 77 and 78 model. Only had this kind of front, and this is the best part for me. So it's good to see it all stripped down. Here we have our rear bumper. And I can't wait to see this stuff done. It's going to be so nice to finally have it done. Here's the rear spoiler. Now there's a big problem with this car. One of the biggest things is the way the doors hang. They just are not correct. And I have ordered new hinges because apparently these hinges are beyond proper repair, even though I do have a hinge repair kit. You can see the big damage on the left here is the rear quarter panel. You know, the very bad one I showed in the last update. You can see a big piece had to be cut out because it was rusty at the bottom here. And this has been the biggest issue on the car, is that whole quarter panel. Here we can see the other side where the door, this is the driver's door, just sags. You know, I did try to fix this myself before bringing it to the shop, but I'll be honest with you, it really just was a big issue. So, new hinges on the way. There's a new front fender, as I'm sure you noticed here, how the front fender has been removed. That was just too badly welded up at the bottom. There was obviously some kind of an accident on this side of the car, because the front fender's damaged, the rear quarter panel's damaged, the whole door is that line down the middle like a big gouge. So this has been the big issue. Anyway, we're getting to a point now where the bodywork is starting to take shape, and once the doors have been hung properly and all the little holes and all the bits have been replaced, we can actually start getting to the point where the thing gets painted. So I hope you enjoyed this quick update, and of course when I get more updates, I'm so anxious to get this car done, guys, and I really have to just be patient. It's so difficult. I miss this car so much, you have no idea. But once I get it back, I can start doing some mechanical stuff and upgrade the suspension and all that. So this is going to be a long-term project, and it's my forever car, so I'll keep you guys up to date. Either way, thanks for watching.